When a person eats food, digestion begins in the mouth. The teeth break the food into smaller pieces, while saliva begins the chemical digestion process. After chewing, the food is swallowed and moves through the esophagus, also known as the food pipe, toward the stomach. In the stomach, the food is mixed with stomach acid and digestive enzymes. The stomach muscles continuously churn the food. The partially digested food then moves into the small intestine, where most digestion and nutrient absorption takes place. The liver produces bile, while the pancreas releases digestive enzymes. These substances help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Digestive enzymes break carbohydrates into simple sugars, proteins into amino acids, and fats into smaller components that the body can absorb. The walls of the small intestine contain millions of tiny structures called villi. They absorb nutrients and transfer them into the bloodstream. Once absorbed, many nutrients enter the bloodstream and are transported to cells throughout the body. Many of these nutrients travel through the portal blood vessels to the liver. The liver processes, stores, and distributes nutrients according to the body's needs. The liver can convert excess glucose into glycogen and store it as an energy reserve that can be used later. From the bloodstream, nutrients are delivered to cells throughout the body, where they support growth, repair, and normal body functions. Inside cells, nutrients such as glucose can be used to produce energy. This energy helps power movement, growth, repair, and countless other functions. Amino acids produced from protein digestion are absorbed into the bloodstream. The body uses them to build and repair tissues and to make important proteins. Fat digestion produces fatty acids and other components that the body can use for energy, cell membranes, and other important functions. Digestion also involves the absorption and regulation of water and electrolytes. These substances are essential for maintaining normal body functions. The large intestine is home to trillions of microorganisms. These microbes interact with undigested